Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through creating a custom page template in Atlassian Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up reusable templates, whether just for your team's space or for your whole Confluence site to make content creation faster, more organized, and way more consistent. Let's dive right in and get you set up. Let's start with space-specific templates. These are perfect if you want a template just for your team or project, something only folks in your particular space will see and use. First, open up your Confluence space and look for the sidebar. There, you'll either see an option that says Space Settings, or sometimes you'll need to click More Actions, then select Space Settings. Don't worry if the menu looks a little different based on your Confluence version. Just remember it's always about finding those settings for your current space. Once you're in Space Settings, focus on the Look and Feel section. You'll see an option called Templates. This is your control center for all things template-related within that space. Click on Templates and you'll see a list of existing templates, but we're ready to make something new, so hit that Create New Template button. This opens up the Confluence page editor, and here, where the fun really begins. Think of this space like a blank canvas. Add your title, section headings, maybe a table for project details, or use macros if you want things like placeholder text, variables for inserting names or dates automatically, or even instructional prompts for colleagues. The page editor gives you a lot of flexibility, so don't be shy. You can design this template to fit the exact needs of your team. For example, you might add a to-do section at the top, a table for meeting notes, or even reminders to double-check key details. These little structure choices not only save time, but help everyone stay on the same page, literally. Take your time with this part. Don't worry if you're experimenting or trying things out. You can always revise the template later as your team's process evolves. When you're happy with how your template looks, simply save the page. Now, whenever someone in your space goes to create a new page, your template will show up as an option in the list, ready to use instantly. Maybe you want your template to be available for everyone who uses your Confluence site, say, for company-wide project tracking or meeting notes. For that, you'll want to create a global template, and this does require Confluence administrator access. If that's you, here's what to do. Look toward the top menu for the gear icon, which leads to the administration area. Give it a click, and now you'll see all the options for managing your whole Confluence instance. Navigate to General Configuration, and then find the section titled Global Templates and Blueprints. This is where you manage templates that every space across your organization can use. Click on Add Global Content Template or Add New Global Template, depending on your version. You'll again open up the familiar page editor, and just like before, this is where you build your template. Think about which fields, layouts, and macros would help any team that uses this template. Once you're finished designing it, publish the page. Voila! Now anyone creating pages in any space on your Confluence instance will have your template as an option. And that's it, you've set up a custom template, ready to help streamline your processes and create consistency for your team or your whole company. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, drop a like below and let me know in the comments if you have questions or need advice for trickier setups. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Confluence tips and tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.